iCloud storage. As of the middle of 2013, this is how iCloud synced files worked for me. The actual directory, which contains all iCloud files and directories, is the /users/Sam Habib/library with a capital L /mobile documents, and there's a space between the word mobile and documents, and both words are capitalized. I'm gonna show you this directory. Okay, I open Finder and then I do go. Okay, go to folder. Okay. Okay, in this directory, and here's the path to it. Users, Sam Habib, library. Okay, they refuse to call it mobile documents, but here I'll show you. Well, okay, they refuse to do it here too. I guess they refer to the mobile documents folder as iCloud. Either way, it's in the library folder. Okay. Now I have a directory here that has my wallet file, because this is the way that it works. Every application, every piece of software that uses iCloud for storage has its own folder in the iCloud folder. And this is the iCloud, which is in the library, which is actually, I believe, the mobile documents folder. Okay. Mail, numbers, pages, preview, shoebox, text, input. I even created my own iCloud folder here. I call it my iCloud documents, and it's the same as this right up here. No, actually it's not. Okay, so this is the shortcut. It's the same as this one right here, my iCloud documents. Okay. Now, I have some documentation about this in my e-wallet. See, iCloud for Sam. It's under Machines, Nodes. And I'll just read to you what this says here. Please note that the Mac often substitutes the word iCloud for the path to mobile documents, and I just showed that. Another note. Each iCloud app has its own folder in the mobile documents folder. This folder also will be called iCloud by the system. Inside of it, there may be a documents folder, which will be the actual location where the app stores its documents, and that also will be called iCloud folder. Okay, this is the important point. Apple calls any folder that's on the cloud that stores files for an app, it calls it iCloud. Now, if you were to believe this in the abstract, then that would mean that every file that's in iCloud is in the same folder, but that's not true. It's just that they like to call it that because they want people to believe that there's just one theoretical thing in the cloud called iCloud, and they don't want people to dig in and try to understand it any more than that. But for people who know more and want to be able to work with this stuff on a more lower level than that, that just makes things confusing. Anyways, note, folder names for iCloud folders on the Finder sidebar. Yeah, okay, I just showed you on the sidebar on the left. Okay, they will always show as their original name in the mobile documents folder. In other words, after I make a hot link in the link bar on the left, the sidebar, I can't rename it to give it a convenient name. It's going to have the same name that it has in the mobile documents folder. Okay, the last note, Any file or folder you create in the mobile documents folder will be in the cloud. You can make it easier to find by placing it on the Finder sidebar. Okay, that's obvious.